Good morning, students. So today we're going to discuss about the AC current and DC current. So what is AC and what is DC? So DC means DC also called the direct current. Full form of DC is direct current. So direct current is a constant. It is a current in which the direction and the magnitude of the current always remains constant or always remains same. So what is magnitude? Magnitude means the value of current. For example, suppose we have a bulb and this bulb is connected with a DC source of supply. DC source of supply, the example of DC source of supply is battery or cell. These are the DC source of supply. Okay. So suppose this point is A and this point is B and this is our bulb. Okay. So in DC, suppose 5 ampere current is flowing in this circuit. So if 5 ampere current is flowing, so that means that this amount of current will always flow in this circuit. So the value of current will never change. If now current 5 ampere current is flowing, after 1 hour same 5 ampere current will flow. After one day the same 5 ampere current will flow. That means the value of current never changes until or unless you replace the battery, okay, and source. Okay. So in DC current, that value of current never changes. Value of current is also called magnitude of current. And the direction is also remains same in case of DC. Suppose current is flowing from A to B, point A to point B. So after 1 hour, you'll see that the direction of current is also from A to B. After one day, the direction of will remain same. It will flow from A to B. Okay, so that means direction of current never changes and the value of current never changes in case of DC current. So what is AC? So AC current is the current in which the magnitude and the direction of the current changes with respect to time. For example, suppose here you have the same bulb and you have connected this bulb with a AC source. So look, this is the sign of AC source. AC source. Suppose this point is A, this point is B, and this is your bulb. Okay. Now for example, suppose 5 ampere current is flowing in this circuit. 5 ampere current is flowing. Now this current will not remain constant. If 5 ampere current is flowing, then after 1 second the value of current will be 4 ampere. Then after 1 more second the value of current will be 3 ampere. Then again after 1 second it will be 2 ampere, 1 ampere, and ultimately it will become 0 ampere. Correct? Then the direction of the current will change. Suppose here initially it is flowing from A to B, then the direction of the current will change. It will flow from B to A. Then again from current value of current it will be increased from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, then 4 ampere and 5 ampere. Then after 5 ampere, then again the value of current it will decrease. Then 5 to 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that means in AC current the value of current varies from maximum value to 0 ampere. Okay, and then 0 ampere to maximum value. Okay, so that means in AC the value of current always changes with respect to time, and the direction of current is also changes with respect to time. So for example, suppose initially if current is flowing from A to B, then after you will see after few seconds the current is flowing from B to A. So that means the direction of current is also changes with respect to time. So this is called the AC current. Okay, so what we have learned that in DC current the magnitude of current remains same, but in AC current magnitude of the current varies with time with respect to time. And in DC current flows only in one direction, or only in one direction, but in AC current the direction of current changes with respect to time. Now so where should you use the AC and where should I use the DC? Now look, since DC, so this is the graph of DC current. So it is a straight line. Straight line means the current is constant. If suppose 10 ampere current is flowing, so always the 10 ampere current will flow. Okay, so it will vary, value will not vary. So this is the graph of AC current. So you can see it starts from current, it starts from 0 ampere, then it is increases to a maximum value. Suppose maximum value is 10 ampere, then again it will decrease from 10 ampere to 0 ampere, 10 9 8 7, in this way it will decrease to 0. So after this point the direction of current will change, and the value of current will again increase. So 0 to 10, then again 10 to 0. So in this way AC current flow. So this is the graph of AC, and the straight line, this is the graph of DC. So since DC current gives us the constant current, so that's why we use the DC current in sophisticated devices. For example, we use DC current in our mobile, in our laptop, in our computer, or in our TV. Okay, so all sophisticated devices, they use the DC current. Why? Because the DC current provides us provide us a constant amount of current. Okay, and but most of the devices use AC current. So in your home, the current which you are getting in your home, that current is actually AC current, not DC. That current is AC current. So using AC current, your fan is rotating, or your what is called AC supply, AC or bulb. They are all bulb, your tube light. They are all glowing with the help of AC current. Okay. So I told you that your TV, they need actually DC. So how you can convert the AC to DC? Because inside your mobile charger they have an instrument. So that instrument directly converts AC current from DC current. Okay, because in your home the current is actually DC current, but your mobile need DC current, your laptop need the DC current. So you will see that inside your charger you have that AC to DC converter. Okay, so that converter actually converts AC current to DC current. Okay, I hope you have understood the difference between AC and DC. So okay, so one more point is that the direct current has zero frequency. So this is a very important point. Look, frequency means frequency. So this is the wave of AC frequency. So in 1 second, how many this kind of waves generated is called the frequency of AC. How many this kind of waves are generated is called frequency. So in India, generally the frequency of AC current is 50 hertz. So if you check your charger, mobile charger, or any electronic instrument, you will see it is written there 50 hertz. 50 hertz means the frequency of the AC current, it is 50 hertz. But in many countries this frequency is for like Japan and USA, they have frequency of 60 hertz. But India, the frequency of AC current is 50 hertz. Now since DC current is not a wave, so DC current do not have any frequency. Only AC current has frequency because it is a wave. Okay. So frequency of AC current in India is 50 hertz. Okay, and so it has no frequency means the frequency of DC current is 0 hertz. Unit of frequency is hertz. And okay, so examples of DC and DC. So DC, it can be obtained from cells or battery. So cells or battery, they gives us DC current. And example AC, it is obtained from the AC main supply and generators. So that's all. So our chapter is finished. So thank you for today.